The roar of jet engines breaks the calm over the carrier deck. Steam hisses, catapults launch, and the sky becomes a stage for some of the most advanced fighter aircraft in the world. Among them, the U.S. Navy's F-35C Lightning II and the F/A-18 Super Hornet take off with precision and deadly grace. But what may surprise some is who's in the cockpit: elite female fighter pilots, leading with skill, strength, and unshakable focus. These women have shattered barriers once thought immovable in military aviation. They're not here to prove a point. They're here to fly, fight, and win. From day launches to night landings, complex missions to high-speed intercepts.
Keep going on while I talk about it.
They do it all with the same standard expected of any naval aviator. No shortcuts, no exceptions. In the F-35C, a stealth multi-role fighter loaded with cutting-edge technology, female pilots operate one of the most advanced aircraft ever built. The jet's sense of fusion and low observability give pilots a decisive edge in any battle space. But while the aircraft is powerful, it's the pilot that makes the difference. The F/A-18 Super Hornet, a combat-proven workhorse, demands agility and precision. Female pilots flying these twin-engine jets execute missions from strike operations to air-to-air engagements with seamless coordination. Every move on deck is practiced, every mission briefed in detail, every landing on the carrier calculated to the inch. Training for this role is brutal. Years of preparation, simulation, and in-air challenges push every pilot to the limit. These women excel in this environment, not by asking for special treatment, but by holding themselves to the highest standards. They lead squadrons, mentor new aviators, and represent the Navy's core values of honor, courage, and commitment. Each time they walk across the flight deck, helmet in hand, eyes fixed ahead, they carry more than gear. They carry the legacy of the women who came before and the future of naval aviation on their shoulders. They've earned their place not because they are women, but because they are damn good pilots. In a job where inches matter, where seconds count, and where there is zero room for error, these pilots represent the very best of what the U.S. Navy stands for. They don't just fly, they dominate the skies. Let me know if you like this stylized for a YouTube narration, turned into a dramatic script, or translated into Hindi or another language.